Welcome to my CircleDNA Atom DNA Test Kit review. Find links and details below. CircleDNA is a cutting-edge DNA test offering a vast array of health, lifestyle, and ancestry reports. Perfect for anyone seeking a deep dive into their genetics, CircleDNA empowers you to make informed wellness choices. The process is simple: order the kit, collect a saliva sample, mail it back, and access your results within weeks via the secure app or website. CircleDNA boasts over 500 reports across 20 categories, covering everything from disease risk and diet to stress and sleep, plus fascinating ancestry insights. Discover your genetic predispositions to conditions like cancer and heart disease. While not a diagnostic tool, these insights empower you to take preventative steps or consult your doctor. CircleDNA also analyzes your compatibility with various diets, exercise routines, and sleep patterns for personalized recommendations. Explore your heritage with its detailed ancestry report and even uncover family planning insights. Considering parenthood? CircleDNA is a valuable resource. This kit is ideal for anyone seeking a holistic view of their genetics to improve their health, boost fitness, or simply understand their biology. If you're ready for data-driven decisions and a healthier life, CircleDNA offers an exceptional experience. Check the links below to learn more or get your kit today.